Hello student, welcome to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Our department Humanity and Science course Basic Mathematics course code 22103. Name of faculty Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Our unit is 4, chapter number 7, mensuration. Last lecture, we perform about the acute angle, obtuse angle, straight line, circle, diameter, radius, intersecting line, perpendicular lines and parallel lines. We have to revise the perimeter and area formula again because we have to solve the example based on that. Rectangle, perimeter, 2 into W plus 2 into L, where L is length, W is width. Square, yes, perimeter, but one thing is remaining. Capital A is equal to length into width. Now square P is equal to 4 into S. Means the side, S represent the side. P is equal to 4 into side. Capital A is equal to S square, where S is equal to length of one side. Means what? Side square we have to cover. Now next, triangle. Triangle. The area of triangle is given by what? No. First perimeter. S1 plus S2 plus S3. Means addition of three sides of triangle. Now capital A. Capital A is equal to B into H upon 2, where H is equal to height, B is equal to base. Therefore, trapezoid is look like this way. So not a formula, just add up the four sides. So capital A is equal to H L1 plus L2 whole upon 2. Therefore, H is equal to height, L is equal to length, circle. Circle have the radius, that is the circumference is given by pi into d, area is given by pi into r square, where pi is given by 22 upon 7 or 3.14. Mensuration formula list we have to cover. A mensuration chapter totally depend on our two-sided and three-dimensional region. That is very important. That means what? Mensuration means measure something. Yes, I revise the mensuration formula again. Perimeter, square P is equal to 4 into S. Rectangle P in bracket L plus W, or you may 2L plus 2W, not matter. L means length, W means width. Circle, circumference 2 pi r. Now area, square, that is capital A is equal to S square, means side square. Rectangle, capital A into L into W. L means length, W means width. Triangle, capital A is equal to 1 upon 2 B into H, where B is the breadth, H is the height. Or base you have to call, no matter about that thing. Trapezoid, capital A 1 upon 2 B1 B2 into H. Circle, circle have the area what? Pi r square. Now surface area. Cube, S into A, that is surface area, 6S square. Cylinder, these are three-dimensional shapes. 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. Cone, surface area is given by pi RL. Sphere, S into A, that is surface area, 4 pi r square. Now volume, cube is equal to V is equal to S cube. Cylinder, that is volume of cylinder, pi r square h. Here s is side, here r is radius, h is height. Now cone, V is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h, where pi as a 22 upon 7, r is the radius, h is the height. Now sphere, sphere gives what? V is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Yes. Now we have to take now next thing, that is what? Yes, example, definition and formulae. Any closed two-dimensional figure formed by 4 straight lines is called a quadrilateral. The sum of the angles quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. These are the how many? In above quadrilateral, perimeter is P plus Q plus R plus S. The area of quadrilateral 1 upon 2 into D. What is mean by D? That is base into height plus 1 upon 2 base into height, means height h1 h2 we have to represent. 1 upon 2 into D is into bracket h1 plus h2. Now square. Square is a quadrilateral in which all the 4 sides are equal and the angle between any two adjacent sides is 90 degree. Now perimeter of the square is 4 into A. A represents the length of the AB, BC, CD and AD. That's why area of the square 1 upon 2 A into A plus 1 upon 2 A into A is equal to A square. Now D square we have to consider A square plus A square. That means D we have to take the 2A square, because A square plus A square gives value what? A square common, 1 plus 1 is 2. That's why we have to taking the square root of both sides. D is equal to under root 2 into A. Now area is given by A square is equal to 1 upon 2 into D square. Now adjacent sides are here represent that square is a quadrilateral, have the 4 sides equal. That's why we have to take the A is the common side, D is the diameter. That's why we have the formula for the quadrilateral A square 1 upon 2 D square. P square is equal to 16A. That's why, because if P is given what? 4 into A, that is perimeter. 4A square is what? 16 into A square. So here we have to represent A is equal to, so that means A square is equal to 16 goes this side. That's why P is square upon 16 is the area between the quadrilateral and square, which perform in that example angle between any two adjacent side is 90 degree. Here we use perimeter, here we use the area of square, here we use the diameter of the, that is diagonal of the A square. Is it right? No, we have to use which formula? Pythagoras theorem. That is D square is equal to A square plus A square is D under root square root A. Okay. Now we cover the very important example. So find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of the length 250 meter and the breadth 175 meter at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. We have to find the cost. For costing, we have to first find about the area. Now, the length of rectangular park is what they given. I draw the diagram. It is look like this way. No green color is there. Yes. So, L is equal to 250 meter. breadth is equal to 175 meter. Therefore, length of rectangular park is given by 250 meter and breadth of rectangular park is 175 meter. Now, perimeter of land 2 into length plus breadth. But why? Because we have to use the rectangular is given part. So rectangular means rectangle. Rectangle perimeter is given by 2 in bracket B plus L bracket complete. Yes, here we have to use word. No matter. Length is equal plus breadth we have to consider. Length is 250. Yes. Plus 175 is breadth. Yes. 250 plus 175, 425. 425 into 2, 850. Length of wire wise required perimeter of the park. So 850 meter length wire in required. So what is then cost? Yes, 850 into, we have to calculate what? 850 into which? 12. So what is the cost then we have to find? That is, what is the cost? Yes, find quickly. That is 10,200. How it is find? I multiply 850 into 12. We require the final answer 10,200 there. Now, we have to take the next example. It is easy, na? Yes. Find the area of rhombus in which each side is equal to 15 centimeter and one of whose diagonal is 24 centimeter. This is the rhombus. Yes, rhombus have the 4 sides equal and diagonals are equal. That is called rhombus. But they give the condition each side is equal to 15 centimeter and diagonal 24 centimeter. I divided it into 2 diagonals are there. So these portion OB, OD, OC and OA are 12 centimeter. Now ABCD be the rhombus. AB 15 centimeter, BO 12 centimeter. So how to find now the third side? Is it right? There we are to possible that way? Yes, let us check. Since AOB is right angle. So, right angle is given Pythagoras theorem. AO is equal to, that means AO square is equal to, that Pythagoras theorem is what? 12? Yes, hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. But here hypotenuse is opposite, it is 15 centimeter already given. Why? Because these portion, I highlight here with, here this portion is 90 and 90 opposite side is always hypotenuse and these are the adjacent side. That's why we have to take the AO is equal to, that means AO square is equal to AB square minus OB square. But here AO we have to take the square root. So we have to put the square root to whole side square subtraction. So square root of AB square is 15 centimeter square minus OB we have to find as diagonal half part. So what is this side we have to perform? So obviously OB square. AB square is 15 square minus 12 square. 225 is 15 square. 144 is 12 square. It is root 81, 9 centimeter. Therefore, 2 diagonals are 18 centimeter plus 24 centimeter. Therefore, area of rhombus 1/2 AC into BD. AC is what? AC is the, and BD. BD is where? Yes, AC into BD. That is multiplication of diagonal. That is area of rhombus. That's why 1/2 AC into BD is equal to 1/2 18 into 24 is 216 centimeter square.